We are going to do a manifestation experiment. By investing just 68 seconds today, you will bring one of your wish into physical existence. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. When we focus on a desire, pure positive, focused thought on that one desire for 68 seconds, that's when the desire get the momentum to move forward. When you do this micro manifestation, your subconscious mind get aligned. It gives you that confidence that yes, you are manifesting. Because when I was new to this particular process, even I was a bit skeptical that I thought like, how come just thinking about 17 seconds or 68 seconds, something will come true. I want you to do this experiment along with me right here in this video, and after that I'll tell you how I have used it before and manifested many things. So if you're ready to do this manifestation experiment right now, you let me know in the comment that yes, I'm ready for it. Step 1, choose an unexpected desire, like something you were not thinking about all the time, so that we'll witness when no resistance is there how fast things work. Like it can be an unexpected gift, it can be receiving appreciation at your work. Let's suppose you don't usually receive appreciation at your work, so think about receiving appreciation at work. Think about like having a good time with someone whom you don't usually interact, or think about connecting with an old friend. Or let's suppose if you are someone who don't usually get gift from anyone, so think about it. Even you can think about some new signs, like seeing something which is not common in your place or something you don't see on a regular basis. And here I want to share, like when I tried this experiment for the very first time, so my friend and I were discussing and he said like, bro, what are you going to manifest? So he said, you are manifesting so many things. You have manifested your dream job, money, everything is working so well. So what else is left? And those days we are observing about these repetitive numbers a lot, like 111, 555, like this. So that's when he said like, why don't you manifest a repetitive number which you haven't seen before? And I thought about it, and I thought like 555 is very common for me, 1111 is very common for me. Every now and then I keep seeing, even 777 I keep seeing regularly. So that's when he said, why don't you manifest 888, like 888? Have you seen 888? I said, no, I haven't seen 888. So he said, why don't you manifest 888? And I said, yeah, it's a good idea. So what I did, I set this intention that you are going to do. And my friend has also told me like, why don't you make it more interesting to let the universe know that you are not just manifesting 888, you are manifesting 41 along with it, so that you are going to see it together. So that let's make it little more unexpected for the universe, so that it won't seem like a coincidence only. And that's the intention. I thought like, I'm going to see 888, along with that there should be 1111. Like 4 ones would be there within just 24 hours. Next day, I went to the ATM to take out some cash. And when I take out the cash, I had to pay someone. And when I was counting this currency note, I saw that one 500 rupees note with some number written before, some number after. And in between, there is 1111. 4 1 were there. And that's when I recall, oh my God, yesterday with this experiment. And then I was excited and also having this curiosity that okay, 111 always came and now I have seen it. But what about the 888? And you know, the next note, when I lift that 111 note, the next one is again 888. Together 888. Not like 8 is there, then another number, then 8 is there. Not like that. Together 888 is there. I took picture, I shared it with my friend, and I was smiling, and I knew if you focus on a desire, absolutely focused, how fast things works. And this is at the core of all manifestation. Pure positive focused desire just for 68 seconds. Amazing. And that's what I want you to do it. If you are skeptic till now and you are excited to do this experiment, let me know in the comment that yes, I'm doing this experiment, and pause this video and think about an unexpected desire like this. Whether it's a number that you haven't seen before, whether it's a sign that you haven't seen before, something. Many people have manifestation, and I want you to give it a try. Whether you are a beginner or whether you are a seasoned practitioner, it's always amazing to do a micro manifestation. Yes or yes, it empower and strengthen your manifestation muscle. So step 1, choose an unexpected desire. If you need few minutes, decide on it, pause this video, think about a desire, and then, but what you have to do, take your phone, set 68 seconds timer. Make sure no one should disturb you within this time. Hit the timer and go into that intense feeling of visualizing as if you are seeing it. You don't have to think about where you are seeing, how you are seeing. You are just seeing it and you are being happy. Just focus like 888. So I focused on seeing 1111 and then 888. I just focus on I'm seeing it clearly in front of me. And I never knew that I'm going to see it in currency notes. And let me tell you, before that, I've never seen these numbers in currency notes. And once I saw that, after that, so many currency notes I have filled with repetitive numbers. I have a bunch of them. And I set this intention that universe, I want to see these numbers in an unexpected way, in an unexpected place. Give me this as a surprise. So even you can set this intention. If you are thinking about a gift, think about a gift and say that universe, I'm ready to receive a gift in the most unexpected and surprise way. Set this intention. Let's suppose you haven't received a bunch of roses or a rose for a long time. Set this intention. I'm ready to receive a bunch of rose in the most unexpected way. If you are not receiving appreciation, think about it. If you are someone who don't usually get invited tea or coffee, I am receiving a free tea or coffee in the most unexpected way. Set this intention, that visualize it, just focusing on that thing. Not about the place, not about how, not about when, just that. As if you are receiving it, or as if you are seeing it, as if you are feeling it for 68 seconds. Keep your focus on the manifestation. In case if your mind is wandering, you can try once again at night. No resistance, just focus. Do it and just release the desire. You don't have to go looking for it. Just enjoy your day, be in the flow, and I can guarantee you, so many of you will see it within 24 hours. Some of you may take 1 or 2 days time, but it is going to come true if your desire is focused and concentrate on this desire. And you will know how powerfully you can get momentum in your manifestation if you can focus fully on a desire. First of all, if you are ready to do it or you're doing it, let me know in the comment. And second, when you get the result, when you get the manifestation, come back to this video and share in the comment. Let me know what you have manifested, so that it will not just strengthen your belief in manifestation, it will strengthen the belief of whole of our manifestation tribe, awesome tribe in their manifestation, and it will even take your manifestation to next level. When you are manifesting something small, it strengthens the manifestation muscle. Like when you go to the gym, you don't start lifting the big weights and start building a lot of muscle. You go with small first, you build the strength. And when you do this small experiment, then slowly you will increase your power, focusing on doing bigger experiment. So I want you to do this experiment today. And if you are someone who have been struggling with manifestation, this will be a game changer. And then if you want to take your manifestation game to next level, then join our 22 days manifestation program, Make Your Life Awesome, where I teach powerful tools, techniques, manifestation process. Every morning you will invest only 10 to 15 minutes. No complicated app, no complicated process, just 10 to 15 minutes following my concentrate instruction in doing the right technique, and you will start manifesting in all areas of life. Participants are manifesting dream job, relationship, health, growth, the dream house, dream home, all kind of things are happening. So if you want, you can check the link in the description and start your journey. Lots of success to you. And if you are new here in my channel, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach. And for last 18 years, I have been teaching manifestation to people from all walks of life, and we are creating magic. Subscribe to the channel, be a part of our tribe, because your manifestation is just one video away. Get ready for it.